Hello, good evening, traders. This is Avila FX Academy, and I'm your host, your analyst, Rotimi Olawale. And I want to quickly show us some trade setup that has formed in the market and potential direction the market is going to go due to this setup and what we are to expect. And the first instrument I'm analyzing is the USD JPY. You know, earlier today, there was a fundamental event which involved the USD, the GBP, and the Euro, all at the same time at 2 p.m. And I believe there's a fallout of that event. Also today, OPEC had an all-day meeting. So these are patterns that has formed after all these events. So there's a fundamental side to it, and we're taking the technical side with this trade setup that we can see in the market at the moment. So currently we can see that the USD/JPY is trading in this pattern, which is a channel, and we can see a resistance at this level. And on the 4-hour, we can see the resistance is sustained on the 4-hour time frame. So we'll come down to 1 hour and look for potential entry point. A breakout of price out of this trend line will signal the beginning of the downward trend on USD/JPY. Now, there are two possibilities here. Price could either come down here, complete this as a head and shoulder pattern and sell, or it could just come straight down. Either of the two possibilities we are to expect on USD/JPY, but then we are bearish biased on the USD/JPY. And also as a fallout of the news on OPEC today, you can see that US oil is gradually making a downtrend, and you know it's almost a similar pattern to the USD. And we can see that it's almost breaking out of the wedge trend. I mean, yeah, more of a wedge. So if by the next hour, this candle closes below this trend line, they need to signal the beginning of the downward trend on the US oil. And just like the USD/JPY, a similar pattern we can look out for can be a head and shoulder and a sell, or a direct sell. Either of the two could happen. So we equally remain bearish biased on the USD, that's US oil. And both USD/JPY and US oil, which is USD, both happen on the 1 hour time frame. And the third instrument we're looking at is the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is trading currently in the rising wedge like this. So we're expecting a potential break of price downwards. So whenever price breaks out of this trend line, then we expect a bearish movement on Euro New Zealand. So we're bearish biased also on the Euro New Zealand. So watch all three trades and just keep watching them. Once there's a breakout, you can take a trade, you can take a sell, and hope you make some peeps out of this trade setup. Take care. So please do something. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, look below this video. There is a link to the WhatsApp group there. You can click it and join our WhatsApp group. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just subscribe to the Avila Price Action channel and you know, make a comment. Do everything just to make sure that anytime we post the next video, you can get it from us. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.